first we have to log in here. After login, first we have to go to the post. Here all post, add new post, categories, tags. All post we will go to the all post. Here are many posts who is posted by me. So if you want to post any post, then first you have to add name. Click add name. Then here title. This is post title. Then here content here. Click here. This is a bold option, bold, and this is italic. If you want any link, for example, link, right button and click link. Here we have to put the link. For example, if this is my website links, click the copy the link, then post here. Okay, then enter. This is a link. Put a link, put here. Okay. Now I post a picture from here. Plus we have to click the plus icon. Then here the image, headings, course list, gallery. If you want to post an image, go to here. Then upload or media query. Here this is a post. I click this. Then this is a then again I write here. I write content. Then you can add. Okay. This is the category list here. You can add any categories. Add any category. Click here. Category name. For example, cricket. Then click enter. This is category making. Then here another post is a feature image. You can use feature image. If you want to use more image, then you can use feature image. Feature image. Click the feature image. Here yes, okay. Feature image. Okay. Now I save draft, not publish. If I publish, then it will show. It will rank. So firstly, I do not publish. Save draft, then preview. Preview new tab. This post should display here. Okay. Here the post. Okay. Here the post. This is post title. Come from there, and it is the picture and here's the shim and cricket. The my categories and content. Okay. Feature image. It is a feature image. It is the post image. Okay. Now I will go there. If you want to change the admin, here the admin option. Let's see here. If you want to allow comments or not allow, this is the option here. Here you can use tag for search engine optimization. You can use tag here. Who is related to post? You can a strong keyword available. You can use there. You can also use okay. From here you can use okay. This is the post. You can choose admin from here, but when I publish, then this panel will show here. Okay. This is my this is not real post, so I delete this. Okay, back to here and all post. It's a draft. This is not published, so I delete this. I delete this. Okay. If you go to there any post, edit post, you can see here various kind of login. Sorry, admin panel who pushed this post. Here you see link is a author. Author here is three authors. If you can use author app as you wish. Which now you want to show here, you can use here. Okay. Back to here. Okay. Now we start categories. Now we make categories. If you will make categories. For example, here is a bird, animal. This animal categories, CATGORIES categories, and here the sub you can if you want you can use the subcategories here. Okay, animal just I add the categories here. If I want, you can use subcategories. Bird, 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 and I can use here animal categories. Then add new. This is a here animal is a main categories. Bird is the subcategories. So I delete this. So if we need no need at this moment, delete. Okay. So it is the main point when I post. I need to know this. Okay. Basically, this is the thing which you need to know. Here are some options. Please see here. Here the general RS option. You can use here. You can use a logo from here and also sticky menu. Also, you can if you want, you can change you as you wish. Header top. This is header top button. Header top here, and also there's an email address. If you want to change any email address, you can use this. You can change the here. Also, you can add any phone number and social links. If you do not show the social do not show the social icon, then you can off this and save. Then it will be saved. Okay. As a style, if you want, you can use. If you want, you can use a style change here. From here, you can now this is my style primary color. This is a color. If you want to change this color, if you can select color, then save something like this. Then you can save. At this moment, I do not see this. Then save. It will change there. Okay. Then if you want block section here, the social icon. You can use social link. If you when you make your other social link, then you can use this link and save. Just paste the link, then you save this. Okay, then it will be show. Footer option you can always do 2023. You can use 2024, 5, 6, 26. Also, you can use login social media icon. Okay, here this is the. You can use block. This is a block site. If you want to change the image, you can change this block. You can change this post, remove post, and also the name. If you want to change your name, you can there. Also, you can if you want to hide your show author name, then you can hide and show. This is a two options available here. Okay. This is the main things. This is my request. You do not change any plugin. Never use plugin. I go to the plugin option. You do not update this plugin. If you update this plugin, sometimes it will make a conflict in other plugins. So it's so hamper for your help. So this is and if you want to no, it's okay. Thank you, sir. Okay.